Almost everybody is doing this in a wrong way. Instead, you can go to the search bar and write there Netflix and data scientist, and you will get a lot amount of relevant results. आप अपने हिसाब से आप filter out इसे कर सकते हो, and that would help you to more easily apply to the different job roles. फ्रेंड्स, आज के टाइम में ऑलमोस्ट एवरीबडी ऑन लिंक्डइन आर लुकिंग फॉर न्यू जॉब रोल्स, न्यू पोजिशन. सो आप अपने जॉब एप्लीकेशंस को किस तरीके से कस्टमाइज करोगे सो दैट यू कैन स्टैंड आउट ऑफ द क्राउड विच इज़ अप्लाइंग टू द सेम जॉब रोल. सो फ्रेंड्स, चलिए वीडियो की शुरुआत करते हैं. आज के वीडियो में हम लोग बात करेंगे हाउ टू सर्च जॉब्स एंड अप्लाई फॉर जॉब्स ऑन टू द लिंक्डइन. सो द थिंग्स विच आई विल बी डिस्कसिंग ऑन टू दिस वीडियो विल बी: नंबर 1, some advanced LinkedIn job search tips. Number 2, how to make your LinkedIn profile stand out. Number 3, how to reach out to people for jobs, internships. And number 4, things to avoid while doing job search. First of all, let us look at some of the advanced job search techniques onto the LinkedIn. So friends, just let us assume that I want to work at Netflix and I'm interested into the analytics and the data science part. So friends, what would I do? I would just go to the LinkedIn search bar and I would just type Netflix and I'll just write an and inside the brackets I would write a data analyst or data scientist, or when I'll hit the enter button मुझे सारा results मिल जाएगा. Here just apply the filter onto the people part here, and then I'll get all the people who are working into the Netflix, into data analyst or data science part, और यहाँ से मैं उन सारे लोगों से जाके connect कर सकता हूँ. Now what is the best way to connect with them? The best way to connect with them is using the personalized invite. Don't ever just click onto the connect button. That would give a very wrong image. So you should definitely every time personalize your invite using just say, hi, can you please guide me onto the job role? Hi, can you just tell me more about this role you are working in? इसी तरीके से बहुत सारे अलग अलग कंपनीज में जाके लोगों को अपने ड्रीम कंपनीज में जाके रीच आउट करके उनसे पूछ सकते हो, उनसे गाइडेंस ले सकते हो. द नंबर 2 पार्ट इज मेक योर लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल स्टैंड आउट ऑफ द क्राउड. फ्रेंड्स, हियर व्हाट यू कैन डू, let's say I am into the data analytics part, I would just make simple dashboards, I would create analysis and present my work onto the LinkedIn, और इन सारे वर्क्स को मैं LinkedIn पे फीचर्ड सेक्शन में आ जाके ऐड कर सकता हूँ. नाउ व्हेनेवर एनी रिक्रूटर और हायरिंग मैनेजर उन सारे पोस्ट को जाके देखते हैं, they might get a visibility like the work you are doing, how much active you are into the analytics part, और तरीके से they might offer you a job role. Now let us assume that nobody is accepting your personalized invite also. So what is the alternative for this? So the alternative for this can be, so you can just go to the LinkedIn search bar, just run a simple blank search, and you can go to the filter section, and into the filter section, into the other company, you can just write your dream company name or the companies which you are interested to work into, and then you can filter out the post. You will get multiple search results or multiple posts from people who are currently working into the company which you are willing to work for. So after this you can just go through all the posts. Let's say आपको data scientist की position में apply करना है, so you can just scroll through all the posts and you can find one of the people who have newly joined that particular company. So the things which work here is divided into a 3-step process. Number 1 process is you should greet the person who you are reaching out. So you can just write, hey, hope you are doing good. Next, you should let the person know कि आप उनके बारे में जानते हो या फिर आप उनके कंटेंट से इंटरेक्ट करते हो. So you can just write congratulations onto your new role, or if there is a certain post into which they posted about machine learning or deep learning, so you can just write, hey, interacted with your post, liked it very much. These are the things which I would like to add from my end. So the person who is receiving that message should be inclined towards replying to that message you are sending out to them. And then you can just end your paragraph with a follow-up question. Now coming to the last part, and that is things you should definitely avoid while doing a LinkedIn job search. Now this has happened with me also. I'll just share a small story with you. So when I was in the college days, I'll just randomly send the invite to different people. अब इसकी वजह से क्या हुआ, LinkedIn tracks all the activity into the backend. लेट से मैंने 15 लोगों को कनेक्शन रिक्वेस्ट भेजा रैंडमली, आई जस्ट हिटिंग द कनेक्ट बटन, और उन 15 में से अगर 5 लोगों ने भी अगर रिपोर्ट कर दिया, LinkedIn would pop this message to them like, do you know this person from whom you are receiving the invite? और अगर उन लोगों ने दे वुड जस्ट मार्क दैट दे डोंट नो मी, और अगर 5 लोगों ने ये सिग्नल भेज दिया लिंक्डइन को, तो अगली बार से मैं जिन लोगों को भी कनेक्शन रिक्वेस्ट भेजूंगा, आई वुड गेट दिस पॉपअप हियर एंड आई फेस दिस सिचुएशन. LinkedIn would ask me to write the email address of the person to whom I want to connect with. Now this is very bad and you should definitely avoid doing this, and please send a personalized invite to people whom you are reaching out to or sending out a connection request. This would increase a lot of your chances to get a good job position. So friends, आशा करता हूँ कि ये वीडियो आपको काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद आया होगा. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो इस वीडियो को ज़रूर लाइक करिएगा, मेरे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करिएगा. थैंक यू सो मच, बाय.